So a buddy of mine picked up a Shun Chef knife at a garage sale for $5. Now look at this. It's got a broken and bent tip, and it is just chewed up along the blade. Now I'm going to use the old work sharp and make this look like it's brand new. So stay tuned. Okay, we're going to repair this $5 garage sale purchase Shun Chef knife that is just chewed up and a broken and bent tip. And we're going to fix it. We're going to use the work sharp, and this is going to take some serious time. And to keep from heating this blade up, I've got a thing of water here to keep the blade cold. And I'm going to speed this film up as I'm doing it, because it's going to take a while to use it, use the work sharp to get this correct before we sharpen it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to turn the work sharp around. I want to use this side of it. Still bent. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to hit that with a hammer. So I hit it with a hammer on my anvil, and it actually broke the tip, but that's fine. We're going to keep going. So we got all the dings out of it, and we got the tip straight. Now we're going to put a little bit of an edge on it. So we're going to do a 16-degree bevel on each side of this blade. So I'm going to back the angle off a little bit. Yeah, it'd help if I took the blade, took the belt off. So, as you can see, right at 16 degrees. So we're not going to use the riser on it. We're going to freehand this. I just noticed that tip is not all the way. So I'm going to work on that tip first. So I worked on the tip just a little bit more, and it is back the way it should be. So we're going to continue sharpening. So I can see a burr coming up on this. Bad part about it is I got a couple little nicks still in the blade. So we need to get those nicks out. That looks better. So we're starting over basically. All right, that first belt was a 120 grit Cubitron from 3M, and we've got a really nice edge on this knife now. So we're going to go down a little bit, put that back in the ice water, and then I'm going to go to a 200 grit Trizac belt from 3M. .600 grit. And I can see the burr. Ice water is keeping this blade from heating up. Shuns are brittle enough as it is. No heat on that blade, it's cold. All right, the last one, we're going to go to the belt, the leather belt. I'm not going to worry about the heat too much on this. So let's dry this blade off. Take a good look at it. It's very warm here, so there's condensation on this blade. It is very sharp and looks wonderful compared to the way I received it. A $5 Shun knife from a garage sale, and this thing is beautiful. Little compound on the belt. Still cold. Oh man, that is freaking sharp. Whew. So it's ready to go back to the client. So I corrected all of the dings on the blade and repaired the tip, and it's been sharpened. A $5 Shun Chef knife from a garage sale, and it took me probably about 20 minutes working the blade with the work sharp, and it is razor sharp and like brand new. Thanks for watching.